Today we're going to see whether GLM 5.2 and Claude Opus 4.8 can create Papers, Please, a very famous game in which the player decides whether to approve a person's visa or not, depending on the rulebook that they have at the time. So let us dive in and see whether these LLMs can make this game. So this is GLM 5.2 through OpenCode. This is the prompt we've gone with. As you can see, it's quite lengthy. It's generated by Claude. I've already run it, and it's generated a lot of code. Okay, and the total amount of code lines generated was 1,222 lines of code. So let's run it. Okay, as soon as we boot in, it tells us the controls. So we can just drag the mouse, click the rulebook, click stamp to approve, and next to call next applicant, then escape to close overlays. Okay, escape to work to that. Okay, let's go next. So we have a Sarayama Moto. So let's see the rulebook. So it tells us what to do. Passport is required, and then the allowed nations, required documents, and then the date. Only Ostovska citizens are allowed to pass. So let us see. This person is from, so one thing it doesn't have, which the original game has, is the ability to zoom. So, but we can see this person is not from Ostovska, so they have to be denied. Oh, and there's no stamp. Okay, but it shows the print. Okay, next person. Okay, this person from Ostovska should be approved. That was the only criteria for now. This one, not Ostovska, so denied. Next person, approved. Next. Seems okay. The thing is, there's no pixel art going on here. So, but the core functionality of the game is definitely here by the looks of things. Okay, approved. I'm just wondering what's going to happen. Is the day cycle proper? I'm not from Ostovska. Okay, so the day's ended. It shows the citation, 0 earnings, fines. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, what's the new rules? So the new rules are foreigners may enter now. Deny expired passports, and the issuing city must belong to the stated nation. Okay. Okay. So the main thing, I guess, is just the expiration date. So this one is not expired, so we should be able to let him in, I believe. Issuing city does not belong to the stated nation. Oh, wow. Okay. We made the issuing city must belong to the stated nation. So how do we check that? Wait, what is it? Allowed nations all. So he's from Ostovska, so he gets in as long as his passport is not expired. Issuing city does not belong to the stated nation. The issuing city must belong to the stated nation. But how are we supposed to know? How are we supposed to know? So, how are we supposed to know? So the issuing city here is Yoko City. The passport is up to date. It's not expired. So should I deny him since the issuing city... Oh dear. Oh, I think it shows on the top right. I don't think I saw that, so let's see. What? Another fine? No way. Can we get more documents? This is so interesting. I think this is a bug. Ostovska. So let's see. Let's try. I think this is a bug. Because the issuing city here is para. Okay. I'm going to say approve. These papers are valid, I assure you. Yeah, they look valid. So I'm going to say approve. Okay, it passed. Yeah. So R, Chris, issuing city, East Greston. And it's not expired, so okay. Well, that was strange. That was strange. Okay, so day 3. Finally, now we have some more documents going along here. So, glory to Ostovska. Let's see. the rulebook. Passport and entry permit are required now. Okay. Deny entry to, okay, expired documents. Name, date of birth, and text must match all documents. The issuing city must belong to the stated nation. How am I supposed to know the issuing city belongs to the stated nation? How am I supposed to? City. It's a real gap. It's a real gap. Okay. Oh dear. Okay. Close. Okay. Now it shows. But anyway, I mean, that's how it looks for GLM 5.2. It's not bad. It's okay. So let us see how Claude did. So okay, so this is with Claude. This is the same generation or same prompt. So the total amount of lines of code was 1,515 when I asked it. Now let me ask it to run it. Okay. Okay. This is Claude's version. Seems like it starts with the rule book. Ministry of Admission. Entrants must be US. Must be citizens of Arstotzka. Required documents, passport. Okay. And you see, it at least shows permitted. It shows the cities of origin. So GLM completely missed that out. So right now it seems like it's just like the GLM where it's we're only going to be approving people from Arstotzka for now. So anyway, let's begin. Okay, so here the HUD is below. Oh, and there's some sound effects as well. So this person's from Glorian, Antegra. Can I grab it? Yep, I can. Okay. And then, oh, deny. And then deny. Okay. What's going on here? Okay. What is going on here? So after denying, I can't call next. I mean, there should be a place for me to put the document, no? So deny. Just keep denying. Decision logged as deny. Oh, okay. Wow. So we deny and then we have to say return. So I wonder what will happen if we say approve. Will it just move on? So this person's from Arstotzka and we don't, so we approve and then we say return. Wow. We have to keep saying return. Oh, wow. I mean, it's not the best mechanic if I'm being honest. It would be better if we could give them the document. But yeah, let's continue. And yeah, that's terrible game design from Claude. But you win some, you lose some, yeah? Okay, Arstotzka, approve. Okay, return. Next. Okay, Republica, denied. Return. Next. Impor, denied. Return. Next. So weird. Arstotzka, approve. Return. Next. Okay, so looks like we did good. No citations, no mistakes. It's again shows food heat, just like the OG game. So it's pretty good. And then, oh, you see, this is great. Every round it shows us the rulebook nicely updated here because we can see the permitted nations, and this is great. Yeah, but like I said, it would be nice if we could just give them the document. So here, what the rulebook was. Okay, so expired, right? And then we can just see the cities. So where were they from? Galicia. Okay, Galicia, Yorko City, and West Britain. Okay, so it seems all is good here. Return. Okay, so Republica, True Glorian. True Glorian, is that correct? Okay, that's correct. So the only thing is expiration date, so everything looks good. Everything looks good. Okay. Welcome to Arstotzka. Okay, so okay, it's already expired. Denied. Okay. Now a full no expiration date. Yeah, it looks good. Okay. Okay, so United Federation, Shingleton, and the expiration date is good. Okay, everything here checks out. Okay, Boston and Republica. So interesting. It seems okay. The expiration date is off. I was going to say it seems like we're approving a lot of people here. So these cities check out, but the expiration date doesn't. So tonight. So here we have expiration date is good. True Chlorian, and is that correct? True Chlorian Republica. Okay, everything seems all right here. Okay, next. Okay, continue. Now, required documents, passport and entry permit. So it's exactly, the progression is similar with GLM. I'm guessing it's the prompt, right, that has it all. So let's close it and let's just see how it handles the deep. Okay, so it looks good, similar. Yeah, I think both models did a decent job, honestly. With some doing better than others. You guys can decide which one did it better. I think we'll end it here, and have a good one.